How to create your Login.gov account with SSA. 1. Go to ssa.gov and select Sign In. 2. Choose Create an account with Login.gov. 3. On the Login.gov page, select Create an account. 4. Enter your email address, choose language, agree to terms, and click Submit. 5. Open the confirmation email and click Confirm Email Address. 6. Create a strong password, 12 plus characters, mix of letters, numbers, symbols. 7. Set up multi-factor authentication, MFA. Choose text, app, key, or other secure methods. 8. Verify your identity for SSA using your driver's license, ID, SSN, and US phone number. 9. Choose Continue on your phone online or Continue in person post office. 10. Take clear photos of your ID and face as instructed. 11. Enter your SSN and phone number, then verify with a one-time code. 12. Save your personal keys securely. 13. Agree to the Privacy Act statement and terms of service.